Ladies and gentlemen, Tiger Airways is pleased to welcome you to Singapore on schedule, where the local time is 20 minutes past noon. For your safety, please remain seated with your seatbelts fastened until the aircraft has come to complete stop. Please take care when opening the overhead compartment. Before you leave the aircraft, please check that you're all hand luggage with you. May we remind you again to leave your mobile phone switched off until you are inside the terminal building. For safety reasons, smoking along the tarmac is strictly prohibited. For your information, a dedicated shuttle bus service is provided between the budget terminal and Terminal 2, free of charge. Taxis are also available outside the arrival block. Thank you for flying with Tiger Airways. It's been a pleasure to have you with us today. We certainly look forward to seeing you again in the near future. And remember, for the lowest fares, always log on to TigerAirways.com. Have a pleasant day. Goodbye.